Hello students. Now the next experiment which we will do, it is of the compound C13 again, the organic compound, and that organic compound which we will do, it is benzoic acid. Okay. See, I have taken the compound here in this watch glass, and now we will make a solution of it. See, it's white flaky solid, and first we will try to make a solution of it. Actually, it will not be a clear solution. Okay, we can do the practical directly from this also, like solid also we can take, and from that pinch of the organic compound also we can do the practical. So let's start the practical. See, the first one is, to a pinch of organic compound in a test tube, add distilled water. We will add distilled water to it and warm the content. Then we will warm the content. After adding distilled water to this white flaky solid compound, we will add distilled water, and after adding distilled water we will heat the compound. Okay, and after when we will warm the compound or the content, now we will add few drops of blue litmus solution. See, this we have taken. Okay, and to this, when we will heat it, after heating we can add see, blue litmus solution also, or we can use blue litmus paper also. So today I am using here blue litmus paper. Okay, see, it is boiling now. Okay. And to this we will add this blue. Let's see whether it has been dissolved properly or not. See, upon adding blue litmus paper, can you see the color change here? See, it is changing to red. Yes, it means the compound which we have taken here, it is acidic in nature. It has turned red. It means the compound which we have taken here, it is acidic in nature. Now see, the experiments of this compound, they are very easy. The second one is, we will take test tube, and to this we will add few drops of sodium carbonate. See, we will take the compound, we will dissolve the compound in water, and after that we will add sodium carbonate to it. What will happen after adding sodium carbonate to it? See, sodium carbonate Can you observe the brisk effervescence? Yes? When we will add sodium carbonate to it, we will observe the brisk effervescence. And this brisk effervescence upon adding sodium carbonate, this shows that the compound which we have taken here, it is acidic in nature. Now the next experiment is, this experiment you have studied in class 10th also, like to a pinch of compound, we will add ethyl alcohol. To this compound we will add ethyl alcohol and few drops of Kong sulfuric acid. This one, this we have taken, and we will add ethyl alcohol to it. This one we will add, and to this few drops of Kong sulfuric acid. And after adding this, we will warm the content. Kong sulfuric acid we will add. See, Kong sulfuric acid.
आपको हो गया टाइम लगेगा
चल रही
ये टाइम लगेगा थोड़ा ऐसे
okay, now we will warm the content. See what will be the observation over here? Fruity smell. Fruity smell, it indicates that an ester has been formed here, and the esters, the property, the characteristic property of that ester is that it has a fruity smell. Now the last experiment which we will be performing here, it is shook a small amount of the compound with about 5 centimeter cube of distilled water. Small amount of the compound with distilled water, we will take here water, and we will shake it properly. Okay, we will shake it properly, and after shaking, see what we have to add here. Add ammonium hydroxide dropwise to get a clear solution. We will add ammonium hydroxide to it to get a clear solution, and then we will heat to remove the excess of ammonia from here. See, still a bit of compound is here, so we will take it with another test tube. Okay, and then what we have to do? We have to heat it and remove the excess of ammonia. Now we will heat it. See, boiler is kept over here. See, heating has been done to remove excess of ammonia from here. First we will be completing all the organic compounds, and then we will start with the inorganic one, that is the cation and anion test. See, test will not come if all the ammonia will not be escaped from it. And now what we have to add? We have to add neutral ferric chloride to it. Okay. Let it cool. Removal of ammonia is also an important part of it. See. You can see clearly. What is the observation? Buff colored precipitate will be observed here. Can you see the precipitate over here? This is the buff colored precipitate which will be formed. Okay, so these all tests, they are confirming that the given compound is benzoic acid. So this was all about test benzoic acid. Thank you.